In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to HubSpot content. We'll walk through this process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to add a video to any HubSpot page or blog post with confidence. This works for website pages, landing pages, and blogs, and the steps are almost identical for each. First, open the specific piece of content you want to edit inside the HubSpot editor. From your HubSpot dashboard, navigate to your pages or blog posts, find the one you want to update, and click to open it in the editor. Once it loads, you'll see a live preview of your content on the right and a panel of tools and options on the left. That left-hand panel is where you'll be working to add your video. Now, inside the editor, look at the left panel and find the small plus icon. This opens up the list of modules you can add to your content. Go ahead and click that plus icon. At the top of this modules panel, you'll see a search box. Click into the search box and type the word video. HubSpot will filter the available modules and show you the video module in the results. When you see the video module, click and drag it from the left panel into the preview on the right. Drop it exactly where you want the video to appear on your page or blog. As you drag, you'll see possible placement areas highlight, which helps you position it correctly. Once you release the module, it will be placed there, and the editor will switch to show the settings for that video in the left panel. With the video module selected, you'll now see several options on the left. First, choose the video type. You can use an embedded video, for example, from an external platform or a HubSpot video. If you choose embed, you'll decide whether you're pasting a simple video URL or an embed code. If you choose HubSpot video, you can either upload a new file from your computer or browse your existing HubSpot video library. For this walkthrough, select HubSpot video, then either click upload to add a new file from your device or browse videos to pick one you've already uploaded. Once you've made your choice, select the video you want. After your video is selected, take a moment to configure any remaining settings, such as basic display options. When you are happy with everything, click. Apply changes in the left panel. The preview on the right will reload. Once it finishes updating, you'll see your video embedded right where you placed it in your HubSpot content.